In the annals of innovation, few individuals match the sheer creativity and audacity of Nikola Tesla. The Serbian-American inventor's futuristic visions continue to echo into the 21st century, challenging us to discern fact from fiction. In this exploration, we dive into Tesla's prophetic predictions for 2025. A year that's fast becoming our present, yet still reflects Tesla's boundless dreams of the future. Number 1. Tesla's vision of a wireless world. Nikola Tesla envisioned a world deeply interconnected through wireless technology, one where information and energy could be transmitted without the need for physical mediums. This idea, once regarded as a fantastical dream, is now rapidly becoming a reality. His most famous project, the Wardenclyffe Tower, was an embodiment of this concept. Tesla planned this structure as a global wireless transmission station, aiming to provide free energy and communication across the globe. Though his ambitious project was never completed, its spirit lives on in our contemporary wireless world. From the ubiquity of smartphones, Internet of Things, IoT devices, to wireless charging technologies, we see Tesla's vision manifesting itself. People from every corner of the globe can instantly communicate, exchange ideas, and even conduct business in ways Tesla could only have dreamt of. This radical transformation is largely powered by Wi-Fi and cellular technology, both of which utilize the electromagnetic spectrum, a concept Tesla greatly contributed to understanding and exploiting. Furthermore, the idea of wireless power transmission, though not yet universal, has seen considerable strides. Wireless charging has become commonplace for devices like phones and electric toothbrushes. Innovations in resonant inductive coupling and radio wave technology hint at a future where we could charge electronic devices over the air, at a distance, without a need for charging pads or wires. Yet perhaps the most awe-inspiring application of Tesla's wireless world vision is in the burgeoning field of wireless electricity for homes and businesses. Some companies have started exploring the idea of providing wireless electricity to entire rooms or buildings, and while it's still in experimental stages, successful demonstrations suggest that Tesla's dream of a wireless world isn't as far-fetched as it once seemed. One significant effort towards this vision is the development of solar power satellites. These space-based structures, proposed and being researched by organizations like NASA, aim to collect solar energy in space and then wirelessly transmit that energy to Earth. This project, mirroring Tesla's concept of worldwide free energy, is just another instance where Tesla's audacious visions find echoes in the modern era. In essence, the landscape of 2025 is becoming Tesla's envisioned world, where wireless technology revolutionizes communication, power distribution, and even the way we live and work. Tesla's predictions are often regarded as ambitious, even eccentric. But the further we venture into the 21st century, the more we find that Tesla's wireless world is not only possible, but increasingly inevitable. Number 2. Energy from the atmosphere, harnessing free power. A central theme of Tesla's work and philosophy was the idea of harnessing free, renewable energy. He envisioned a world where energy could be derived from the atmosphere, effectively making it an infinite resource that could be tapped into by all of humanity. A closer look at the current trends and developments reveals how this vision is gradually materializing. The principle that Tesla proposed involved the ionosphere, an atmospheric layer rich in free electrons and ions caused by solar radiation. Tesla believed that these charged particles could be utilized to generate electricity, an idea he began exploring with the Wardenclyffe Tower project. Although his project remained incomplete, the concept has seen intriguing developments in recent years. The science of tapping into atmospheric electricity has seen substantial progress. Recent research, for example, has found methods to harvest electricity from humidity in the atmosphere. Known as the AirGen, or air-powered generator, this device uses electrically conductive protein nanowires produced by a microbe to generate electricity from the atmosphere's water vapor. This approach, while in nascent stages, is an echo of Tesla's vision of using the atmosphere as an energy source. Solar power, while not strictly atmospheric, is another area where we see significant alignment with Tesla's vision. Solar energy is effectively a form of atmospheric energy, as it relies on radiation from the sun hitting the Earth's atmosphere. The significant advancements and proliferation of solar energy technologies in the last decade are bringing us closer to an era of freely available, renewable energy. Even wind energy can be seen as a manifestation of Tesla's prediction. Wind, after all, is a product of atmospheric conditions, and with the development of more efficient and advanced wind turbines, this form of energy is playing an increasingly vital role in our power infrastructure. Another intriguing concept that aligns with Tesla's vision is the idea of harvesting lightning as a power source. Scientists and researchers are investigating the feasibility of capturing the massive energy released in a bolt of lightning. Although still far from practical application, it's a testament to Tesla's foresight and imagination. The vision of harnessing energy from the atmosphere is a profound embodiment of Tesla's commitment to global energy equality. He saw energy as a common heritage of mankind, and the current trajectory towards renewable, widely available power sources seems to be realizing this vision. While we're yet to fully tap into the ionosphere's potential as Tesla intended, the multitude of alternative energy developments shows that the world is indeed moving closer to the spirit of Tesla's prediction for 2025. Number 3. Autonomous vehicles and Tesla's teleautomaton. One of Tesla's most fascinating predictions was that of self-acting, autonomous machines, or what he termed the teleautomaton. This early concept of robotics found its most compelling realization in the form of autonomous vehicles, a technology that has made remarkable strides in the years leading up to 2025. Tesla's vision of the teleautomaton was an automatic machine capable of carrying out complex tasks independently. He even went as far as to build a remote-controlled boat, unveiled at an electrical exhibition in Madison Square Garden in 1898. This boat, a rudimentary prototype of autonomous technology, was one of the earliest demonstrations of machine autonomy. Fast forward to 2025, the advent of autonomous vehicles, specifically self-driving cars, signifies a significant step towards the fulfillment of Tesla's vision. These vehicles, equipped with advanced sensors, LiDAR, and machine learning algorithms, can navigate roads, obey traffic laws, and even make complex decisions in real time, all without human intervention. Companies like Waymo, Tesla Inc., and Uber have poured considerable resources into self-driving technology, each aiming to bring fully autonomous vehicles to the mainstream. Their efforts have resulted in a range of self-driving cars, from those that assist human drivers to others that require no human input at all. Apart from land vehicles, Tesla's vision of autonomous machines also extends to the skies and seas. Drones, for instance, are becoming increasingly autonomous, capable of performing tasks ranging from package delivery to complex military operations. In the maritime world, companies are developing autonomous ships that can navigate oceans without a crew. Tesla's prediction also aligns with the development of the Hyperloop, a high-speed transportation concept that uses autonomous pods to transport passengers and cargo in a near-vacuum tube. While not fully realized by 2025, significant progress has been made in developing this technology, promising a new era of high-speed, autonomous transportation. Interestingly, Tesla's teleautomaton vision isn't just about technology. It also carries profound implications for society. The rise of autonomous machines has started to reshape various aspects of life, from work to leisure to urban planning to the economy. This transformative potential, intrinsic to Tesla's vision, is another testament to his visionary genius. Number 4. Tesla's anticipated earthquake machine. Among Nikola Tesla's wide array of inventions and visions, the earthquake machine holds a unique, albeit controversial, place. Officially known as the electromechanical oscillator, Tesla claimed that this small device could match a building's resonant frequency, causing it to shake, and with enough time, even collapse. Though initially conceived as a potential tool for construction and excavation, it's the popular and somewhat sensationalized image as an earthquake machine that has lived on. While the specific device that Tesla spoke of does not find a direct counterpart in the technologies of 2025, the underlying principles of resonance that it demonstrated have significant implications, particularly in the fields of engineering and construction. One of the critical applications of these principles is in the design of buildings to withstand earthquakes. By understanding and accounting for a building's natural frequency, engineers can construct buildings that are more resilient to the seismic forces. Techniques such as base isolation and energy dissipation devices, which essentially absorb and disperse seismic energy, are used to minimize the impact of earthquakes on structures. Another application area is in the extraction industries. Modern extraction industries use a variety of techniques that resonate with Tesla's oscillator concept, though they use different technologies. For instance, some oil extraction techniques use vibrations to increase oil recovery rates. In these techniques, devices generate vibrations that help move oil through the reservoir, improving extraction efficiency. But perhaps the most significant embodiment of Tesla's earthquake machine in 2025 is the growing field of controlled man-made seismicity for various geoscience applications. In a technique known as induced seismicity, scientists and engineers deliberately trigger small-scale seismic events to study Earth's subsurface structure, locate oil and gas reserves, or even aid in geothermal energy production. While not an earthquake machine in the popular sense, this technique shares Tesla's vision of harnessing and controlling seismic forces. However, it is crucial to remember that Tesla's earthquake machine also serves as a warning, a reminder of the potential destructive power if such technologies were to be misused. As we advance in our ability to interact with and manipulate natural forces, the responsibility to do so ethically and sustainably becomes ever more critical. Number 5. Tesla's radiography. Advanced medical imaging. Nikola Tesla's pioneering work in the field of electromagnetism laid the foundation for many of today's medical technologies, particularly in diagnostic imaging. His early experiments with X-rays, known as Tesla radiography, led to a significant leap in medical science and have evolved into sophisticated imaging techniques by 2025. Tesla's experiments with X-rays began in the late 19th century, around the same time Wilhelm Conrad Röntgen discovered them. Tesla's findings in the field, including the development of his own X-ray imaging technology, significantly contributed to the advancement of medical radiography. His understanding of electromagnetic energy and high-frequency currents has also influenced modern imaging techniques. By 2025, the field of medical imaging has taken giant strides, with technologies such as magnetic resonance imaging, MRI, computed tomography, CT scans, and positron emission tomography, PET scans, becoming standard diagnostic tools. These imaging techniques, which rely on the principles of electromagnetism and resonance that Tesla helped pioneer, allow physicians to non-invasively examine the human body in remarkable detail. MRI, for example, uses strong magnetic fields and radio waves to produce detailed images of the body's internal structures. Tesla's understanding of high-frequency currents and electromagnetic fields was instrumental in the development of this technology. The unit of measurement for the strength of the magnetic field in an MRI machine is even named after him, the Tesla. Likewise, Connecticut and PET scans, which use X-ray and radioactive tracers respectively, provide precise, three-dimensional images of the body's interior. These technologies, descendants of Tesla's early radiography experiments, have transformed diagnostic capabilities, improving accuracy, and aiding in early detection and treatment of many diseases. Another burgeoning field in 2025 is the development of AI-assisted imaging, which uses artificial intelligence to enhance image analysis and diagnosis. This innovative approach, which builds upon Tesla's foundational work, brings a new level of precision and speed to medical imaging, revolutionizing the way healthcare professionals interpret and use these images. Moreover, advances in nanotechnology and targeted contrast agents are making imaging more precise and less invasive. These improvements reflect Tesla's commitment to advancing science while keeping human well-being at the forefront. Number 6. The thought camera, transforming mental images to physical reality. Nikola Tesla once envisioned a device that could materialize mental images, a thought camera, if you will. While the exact technology Tesla envisioned does not exist as of 2025, the principles behind his concept are reflected in the fields of neuroimaging, brain-computer interfaces, and even virtual reality. Tesla's thought camera revolved around the idea that thoughts are not abstract entities but tangible phenomena. He proposed that if thoughts were an energy form, they could be converted to another energy form, visual images. By extension, Tesla predicted a device that could capture thoughts directly from the mind and display them visually. Today, this vision finds its reflection in advanced neuroimaging technologies and brain-computer interfaces, BCIs. Neuroimaging techniques like functional magnetic resonance imaging, fMRI, and electroencephalography, EEG, enable scientists to visualize brain activity, offering a sort of snapshot of the mind in action. While these technologies do not directly convert thoughts into visual images as Tesla's thought camera envisioned, they do provide a means of seeing the brain at work. Brain-computer interfaces take this a step further. BCIs allow for direct communication between the brain and external devices, bypassing traditional routes of output like speech or movement. Though still in their developmental stages in 2025, BCIs have been successful in translating simple thought patterns into actionable commands for machines. For instance, BCIs have enabled paralyzed individuals to control prosthetic limbs or computer cursors merely with their thoughts. Another frontier that resonates with Tesla's thought camera is the realm of virtual and augmented reality. These technologies enable the visualization of mental constructs by allowing users to create and manipulate digital environments. Users can project their thoughts and ideas into these virtual spaces, making their internal thought processes external and visible, albeit not through direct translation from brain activity. Tesla's thought camera also echoes in the emerging field of neurorobotics, where neural activity is used to control and manipulate robots. Similar principles are used in neuroprosthetics, where neural signals are converted into movements of prosthetic limbs. Number 7. Tesla's predicted human-friendly robots. Tesla's forecasts extended into the realm of robotics, where he envisaged the creation of intelligent, human-friendly robots. He believed these machines could assume labor-intensive tasks, thus relieving humans from physical drudgery. As we arrive in 2025, we can witness the manifestation of his prediction in the form of advanced robots, which have become integral to various aspects of human life. In Tesla's vision, robots were not simply mechanical constructs. Instead, he foresaw them as intelligent beings capable of independent thought and action. He believed that these automatons, with their ability to learn and adapt, would become indispensable in industries, performing tasks more efficiently than their human counterparts. By 2025, robots have become an integral part of numerous industries, including manufacturing, healthcare, logistics, and more. These machines, equipped with artificial intelligence, are capable of performing complex tasks independently and can learn and adapt to new situations through machine learning algorithms. From assembly lines to surgical procedures, robots are streamlining processes and improving efficiency. Manufacturing robots have been a game changer, performing repetitive tasks with precision and consistency unmatched by human workers. Their introduction has led to increased productivity, reduced errors, and improved working conditions by taking over physically demanding tasks. In healthcare, robots have taken on a variety of roles, from assisting in complex surgeries to aiding in patient care. Surgical robots allow for highly precise operations with minimal invasiveness, leading to improved patient outcomes. Robots in care homes assist with everyday tasks, providing company to residents and monitor their health. Logistics and supply chain industries have also greatly benefited from the advent of robots. From sorting packages in warehouses to delivering goods, robots have made these processes faster and more efficient. Tesla's vision also encompassed robots being friendly and interactive. The evolution of social robots in 2025 resonates with this aspect of his prediction. These robots can interact with humans in a socially acceptable manner, understand emotions, and respond appropriately. They are being used in education, therapy, and customer service, revolutionizing how services are delivered. However, as robots become more integrated into society, ethical considerations come to the forefront. The implications of widespread robot use on employment, privacy, and safety are issues that need ongoing discussion and thoughtful policies. Number 8. Tesla and the supersonic air travel. Among Tesla's many futuristic predictions, supersonic air travel was one that demonstrated his ability to see far beyond the technological capabilities of his time. Although commercial air travel was in its infancy during Tesla's lifetime, he prophesied a future where air travel would reach unprecedented speeds, reducing travel time significantly. Fast forward to 2025, and we can see the beginnings of this vision coming to fruition. In Tesla's vision, supersonic air travel was more than a luxury. It was a means to unite the world by diminishing the barriers of time and distance. He spoke of airships powered by electricity that could travel at high speeds, and even envisioned vertical takeoff and landing concepts way ahead of his time. Supersonic air travel has indeed been realized in 2025, although perhaps not exactly as Tesla envisioned. Today's supersonic jets are not powered by electricity, but by advanced jet engines capable of reaching speeds greater than the speed of sound. This has significantly reduced travel times across the globe, making intercontinental travel more convenient and accessible. Commercial supersonic air travel has taken a leap forward in 2025 with the advent of new technologies and materials that have made it economically viable and environmentally friendly. The aircraft are designed with advanced materials that can withstand the stresses of supersonic speeds and are equipped with engines that reduce the sonic boom, a major environmental concern associated with supersonic flight. Also becoming a reality in 2025 is the concept of vertical takeoff and landing, as seen in the development of urban air mobility solutions. These vehicles, capable of vertical takeoff and landing, are set to revolutionize urban transportation, promising to reduce congestion and commute times significantly. While not electrically powered as Tesla had imagined, steps are being taken towards this goal as well. Several companies are developing electric planes, with some already having made successful test flights. While these electric aircraft are not yet capable of supersonic speeds, they represent a significant stride towards sustainable aviation. Number 9. Tesla's forecast of climate control technology. Nikola Tesla, always a step ahead of his time, predicted a future where humans would possess the technology to control the weather. He spoke of harnessing the sun's energy to modify climatic conditions, a concept that, during his lifetime, would have sounded purely imaginative. Yet, as we move into 2025, the concept of climate control technology is not as fantastical as it might have seemed to Tesla's contemporaries. Tesla believed in the immense potential of solar energy, advocating for its collection and utilization long before it was technologically feasible. He envisioned a system that could capture the sun's energy and redistribute it to influence weather patterns, foreseeing a potential solution for droughts, cold spells, and other adverse climatic conditions. The idea of modifying the climate has indeed found traction in the 21st century, albeit in a slightly different context. Climate control technology today primarily focuses on mitigating the impacts of human-induced climate change. While we do not possess the ability to manipulate weather patterns at will, we have developed technologies to influence certain aspects of our environment and reduce our ecological footprint. Solar energy, as Tesla advocated, is one such technology that has been widely adopted. Solar panels and photovoltaic cells capture sunlight and convert it into electricity, providing a renewable and clean energy source. By harnessing the sun's energy, we reduce our reliance on fossil fuels, helping to control the levels of greenhouse gases and combat global warming. Other technologies have been developed to directly influence atmospheric conditions. For example, cloud seeding is a weather modification method that has been used to induce precipitation. This process involves dispersing substances into the air that act as a nucleus for cloud formation, stimulating rainfall in drought-prone areas. Additionally, the concept of carbon capture and storage, CCS, technology aligns with Tesla's vision of controlling climate. These technologies aim to capture carbon dioxide emissions from sources like power plants and store them underground, preventing them from reaching the atmosphere and contributing to global warming. While these technologies represent steps towards the realization of Tesla's prediction, they also bring to light significant ethical and environmental considerations. The potential consequences of manipulating natural systems, unintended or otherwise, need to be thoroughly understood and responsibly managed. Number 10. Artificial tidal wave, Tesla's ultimate weapon. Among Nikola Tesla's numerous inventions and predictions, one of the more dramatic was the idea of an artificial tidal wave. He proposed a technology capable of producing a massive wave that could potentially be used as a weapon. Although no such device has been realized by 2025, the theory underlying his idea finds echoes in contemporary science and technology. Tesla's envisioned weapon was based on his understanding of resonance and the transfer of energy. He proposed that by applying a certain frequency to a body of water, it would be possible to stimulate a powerful wave. His idea was that if the frequency matched the natural frequency of the water body, the repeated application of energy could lead to a large-scale movement, much like a small, repeated push can make a swing go higher. While Tesla's specific idea of creating an artificial tidal wave has not been realized, his understanding of resonance has influenced various technologies in the 21st century. One such application is in the field of seismology, where researchers study the natural frequencies of Earth's crust to understand seismic activities better. Additionally, the principle of resonance finds application in modern technologies like ultrasonic cleaning, where high-frequency sound waves create resonating bubbles in a liquid to remove dirt. Similarly, some forms of physical therapy use resonance to apply targeted energy to specific body parts for pain relief and healing. It's also worth noting that, in our time, the idea of a weapon that could cause such widespread destruction raises profound ethical and humanitarian issues. In a world grappling with geopolitical tensions and the ongoing threat of climate change, the responsible use of technology is of paramount importance. In that sense, Tesla's artificial tidal wave stands as a testament to the potentially devastating power of science when misused.